Mutable and immutable types. Variable whose value can be changed after they are created and assigned values are called mutable variables. Means once you assign the value, you can change them. It means they are mutable. In case you assign the values and they cannot be changed, it means they are immutable in type. So variable whose value cannot be changed after they are created and assigned, they are immutable variables. The examples are: mutables are list, dictionary and set. Immutables are int, float, complex, bool, string and tuple. So let's say I have taken immutable variable, that is integer x equals to 5. So how do we represent in the memory? Like this, right? 3184 is the ID or the address of the variable x, which is storing right now 5. Now if I print the value of x, it will give me 5. If I print ID, if I use ID function which help you to print the memory location of the variable, it will give you the address of the variable, which is 3184. Let's assume that. Next, if I add 10 to the variable, the new value will be 15, and so this new value will not override this. Instead, it will take a new location where 15 will be stored with a new memory address, right? So if I print the value of x, it is 15, but the memory location will change, right? So this object has not been changed. This is mutable. Sorry, this is immutable because it has not been changed. Instead, a new memory location is assigned, right? So it means the object in which x was tagged is changed, and object x is equals to 5 is never changed. That is immutable. Object does not allow change after they are created. Let's take mutable example, which is list. This is an example of list. In square bracket, whatever you write, this create a list. So list 1 equals to this. Let's suppose I want to change the value of this. When I print list 1, it will give me the same result, right? If I want to change the first item of the list, I write list 1 0, because every list or set start with 0 and 1 and 2 and so on. So list 0 equals to 50 means I am changing the value of this first list item. And if I print this list again, the changed value will appear, right? So it means I have created the list, but I have changed the value of the list item after its creation. That's why it is mutable in nature. I hope this is clear to you.